Mr. Pinkman's first quarter quiz scores were 60, 85, 92, 78, 89, 96, and 92. The smartest thing we can do probably is write these in the order that they occur. Or no, not the order they occur, but their natural order here, from least to greatest. So we keep looking back to see where we are. Did I miss one yet? I don't think so. I have two 92s. 96. Okay, and then just to make sure I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because you never know, I might miss one. It's a common occurrence, and you hate to do all the work if you have one missing. So the range, we find the range by taking the largest and subtracting the smallest. The median, if there's an odd number, it's the one right in the middle. If it's an even number, then I take the 2 middle and I divide by 2. If there were 8, for instance, instead of 7, I'd take the middle 2. I'd take 4 and 5, the 2 middle ones, and I'd add them together, and I'd divide by 2. I'd find the average. The mode is the one that shows up the most. It's popular, most popular, and you can have more than one mode. And the mean. The mean is where you add up, and I was referring to it here, I was taking the average, where you add up and you divide by the number of things that you have. In this case, 7 here. Okay, tell whether the following statements are true or false. Well, integers and rationals, and I suppose I should put down, I failed to do this, but I should probably put down the charts that I have so you can tell the difference. And see if I can get that up here real quick. So they're asking us about, is integers a subset of rationals? In other words, is integers inside the rational numbers? Well, it certainly appears to be. Integers are part of what rational numbers are. Now, these numbers aren't integers. They're decimal. They're something I can't express as like this might not seem like an integer here, but it's -2, and this may not seem like it, but it's -4. So all these numbers can be expressed without a denominator, positive or negative. But these I'm kind of stuck with either a denominator or decimal place. So integers are definitely a subset of rationals, because rationals are bigger, and part of the inside of rationals are integers. So yes, we would say true. And then you can tell me about integers and wholes. Classifying the following numbers. Okay, the square root of 121. What subsets? Where would that fit? Would that be considered a natural number? That's the most exclusive group in here. Most exclusive group being the natural numbers. They have the highest qualifications. The only thing different about the whole numbers is they include a 0. And then, as we work our way out into bigger and bigger circles, the qualifications are less and less. It's easier to be a part of these groups as you move out. How many does 121, the square root of 121, how many does that qualify for? Just list them out.